Lush green fields unfurl beneath rolling hills, dotted with sheep grazing contentedly. The wind whispers secrets through ancient castles, tales of leprechauns and fairies dancing on moonlit nights. This is Ireland, the Emerald Isle, a land where myth and magic intertwine with breathtaking landscapes and the warmest of welcomes. Excitement awaits, intrepid traveler. With so much to see and do, where do you begin? Fear not, for I present to you the 10 best places to visit in Ireland. Pack your walking boots, grab your passport, and prepare to be dazzled. The Cliffs of Moher. Imagine towering 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean, the wind whipping your hair as endless waves crash against the rugged coastline. This is the magic of the Cliffs of Moher. On a clear day, your gaze stretches for miles, encompassing the Aran Islands, the distant mountains of Connemara, and the vast expanse of the ocean. The Ring of Kerry. Winding its way around the Ivera Peninsula, the Ring of Kerry is a coastal drive woven with the threads of emerald hills, charming villages and ancient ruins. Pristine beaches give way to dramatic cliffs, while sparkling waterfalls tumble into hidden coves. Take your time, savor the journey, and stop whenever your heart desires. Dublin. Step into Dublin, Ireland's vibrant capital, and feel the pulse of history and culture thrumming beneath your feet. Start your day by delving into the Book of Kells, an 8th century illuminated manuscript shimmering with intricate artistry, housed within the hallowed halls of Trinity College. Then, lose yourself in the cobbled lanes of Temple Bar, Dublin's cultural heart. Galway. Galway, a charming city on the west coast, pulsates with the infectious energy of live music and laid-back vibes. Stroll through Eyre Square, the city's vibrant heart, and let the atmosphere wash over you. Sink into a cozy pub, savor a pint of Guinness, and tap your foot to the rhythm of traditional tunes. Killarney National Park. Immerse yourself in the emerald embrace of Killarney National Park, County Kerry's crown jewel. Hike through verdant forests, bike along winding trails, or cast a line in one of the park's many lakes. Take a boat trip on Muckross Lake, surrounded by mountains that pierce the sky and forests teeming with life. Kilkenny. Step back in time in Kilkenny, a medieval gem in the southeast. Explore the magnificent Kilkenny Castle, its towers reaching for the heavens, and lose yourself in the vibrant tapestry of the city's art scene. Wander through the narrow streets, lined with colorful shops and bustling pubs, and soak up the city's infectious charm. The Giant's Causeway. Journey north to County Antrim, where legend and geology collide at the Giant's Causeway. Thousands of hexagonal basalt columns, formed by ancient volcanic eruptions, stretch towards the Atlantic Ocean, resembling a stepping stone path for mythical giants. Explore this UNESCO World Heritage Site, feeling the smooth, weathered stones beneath your feet and imagining the tales whispered by the waves. Cork City. Cork, Ireland's second largest city, is a vibrant kaleidoscope of culture, history, and culinary delights. Wander through the English market, a foodie paradise bursting with fresh produce, artisan chocolates, and local seafood. Immerse yourself in the city's rich musical heritage, catching a traditional ceilidh session in a cozy pub or enjoying live music spilling from every corner. Connemara National Park. Return to the wild beauty of Connemara National Park, a haven for adventurers and nature lovers. Hike through heather-clad mountains, their peaks piercing the clouds, and feel the wind tousle your hair as you gaze upon vast boglands and hidden lakes. Cycle along secluded country roads, stopping to photograph the ponies grazing on windswept hillsides. The Aran Islands. Off the coast of Galway, the Aran Islands, Inishmore, Inishman, and Inishere, offer a glimpse into Ireland's ancient past. Experience the unique Gaelic culture, where the Irish language thrives and traditional ways of life endure. Hike along the rugged cliffs, dotted with ancient ruins and echoing with the calls of seabirds. This is merely a glimpse into the countless treasures that await you in Ireland. From the bustling streets of Dublin to the windswept shores of Donegal, each corner of this Emerald Isle holds a unique charm, a story waiting to be discovered. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and let Ireland weave its magic on your soul. Please subscribe to our channel.